In this problem, we're given that a website uses the formula above, this thing, right, to calculate a seller's rating R based on the number of favorable reviews F and unfavorable reviews N. And what we want to find is the number of favorable reviews in terms of the other variables. So what we're looking for is, what does F equal in terms of the other variables? So I'm looking at this, I see a fraction, don't like a fraction. Let's get this all sort of in one line. Let's just multiply, start by multiplying both sides by just n plus f. N plus f. So what we get is that here this cancels out, right? So you're left with n plus f times r is equal to just f. Okay. Now let's go ahead and just distribute this r, see what we get. We get r n plus r f is equal to f. Okay, so we have it all in one line, not too bad, but we still have f on both sides of this equal sign. So let's subtract rf on both sides so that we kind of at least have all our f, which is, you know, our variable of interest, all our f's on one side of this equal sign. So what we have then is rn is equal to f minus rf, right? So now that you're here, this is a kind of a common situation where you have, so the thing that you're trying to isolate in more than one term, so you might have it in 2 or 3 terms, and so kind of the trick here is that you factor it out. So what you would get is, let's go over here, what you'd get is rn is equal to 1 minus r times f. You see how I factored that out? And again, if you want to check, you can just multiply the f back in and see that you get this. So now that you've done this, you can isolate f by just dividing out the thing that isn't f, right? So if we just divide now both sides by 1 minus r, it'll cancel out here, and so you'll just be left with r n over 1 minus r is equal to f, and that is option B.